Look at this image. This is not an image from stock. Just look at the details, how real it looks. Or maybe you need something nasty. Or look at these 3 images with identical face and body, as if she is a real person. So today I will show you how to generate these images without expending any money, everything for free. So let's get it started. It is very simple. Just search Fooocus AI in your browser. Go to this GitHub link, scroll down, click on this link, and click here to download for Windows. You can also use this on Linux or Mac, or you can use it with Docker. After the file is downloaded, unzip this file. You will get this folder, and inside it, there you can see these files. If you want to generate anime-style images, you can run this. If you want to generate realistic images, then you can run this. Or if you want to download both style, then you can run this file. If you run this, it will download lot of resources which you might not need. I will be running this realistic file because I will be generating realistic images. You can run according to your needs. Just double click on the file. It will show this warning. Click on more info and click on run anyway. It will launch a terminal and start doing stuff. Don't worry, it is nothing. It will just download the required files and launch the app on a browser. It will take some time if you are running for the first time. So just be patient and wait until it opens the app on your browser. Okay, so finally it launched the app on the browser. It looked like this. Let's get the help of ChatGPT for the prompt for a blonde girl character. Copy the prompt and paste it in the prompt input and let's generate. You can also check the terminal to check what's happening in the background. And just like that, it will start generating your image based on the prompt. I love the UI as well, as it gradually processes the image. Isn't it fun to watch? And there you go. Now click on this advanced option. There are so many settings you can change. You can choose quality over speed or vice versa. You can set how many images to generate at one time. Default is 2, so it generated these 2 images. Let's set it to 1. You can go to Style tab. There are lots of styles you can select. I love the cinematic one. Let's enable that as well. And there are lots of other options. You can play around with it since it doesn't cost anything. One thing I forgot, aspect ratio. Right now you can see 7:9 is selected. We generated the vertical image. Let's say you want a horizontal one. You can choose the aspect ratio accordingly. I am choosing 22:11. Let's generate a beautiful scene now. Again, taking the help of ChatGPT for the proper prompt. Copy the prompt and generate it. Oh, actually wait, let's download this image first. We will use this image later. Okay, now generate the scene. Just look at this. How good is this? And the image is horizontal as well, since we changed the aspect ratio. Okay, now how can we generate same type of character that I showed you before? For that, click on this input image. There are lots of options inside it as well. You can select to upscale or enhance it. But the thing we are looking for is image prompt. Click on it and now upload the image with clear face. Let's select the one we generated before. Now click on Advanced. It will open up other tools under your image. Then click on Face Swap option. Give a prompt to change something. Here I wrote wear a bikini. And that's it. It will now generate an image of the same girl but wearing a bikini. Now again this will take some time. Since you enable the face swap feature, it will download all the resources that is required to do that. You can check the terminal for the process that is running. Okay, now it is started generating. So there you go, my friends. We have the same goal with changed outfit. This can be useful on various projects where you need similar type of characters. Stay updated with the tech around you by subscribing to the channel. If you enjoy this kind of videos, leave a comment for any video suggestions. Thank you for watching. Jai Nepal.